I have a KitchenAid induction cooktop. I was getting f47 error code. I ordered the entire power module part number W10857232 installed and programmed it. I am only getting one burner to work now. The other three just click for a few seconds then turn off. Model number is.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I put the model at the door of my comment. KQ509XXSS00. Probably about 5 to 6 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I am a technician, so yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. Okay, for the f47 error code, the repair suggested is 1. Disconnect power. 2. Check that the cables between the user interface and the power control board are not damaged and are firmly plugged in. 3. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 4. Reconnect power and check that it is working. If it is not working, disconnect power and replace the cables between the user interface and the power control board. 5. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 6. Reconnect power and check that it is working. If it is not working, go to step 7. 7. Disconnect power. 8. Check the continuity between black luge at the terminal block and both L2 terminals on the ME board. If there is not continuity on one or both of these lines, replace the thermofuse harness. 9. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 10. Reconnect power and check that it is working. If it is not working, go to step 11. 11. Disconnect power. 12. Check the continuity of the fuses on the ME board. If either of the fuses is blown, replace with a new one. 13. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 14. Reconnect power and check that it is working. If it is not working, go to step 15. 15. Disconnect power. 16. Change both control boards. 17. Replace all parts and panels before operating. 18. Reconnect power and reconfigure the cooktop following the directions in manual configuration mode. Check that it is working. If it is not working, go to step 19. 19. Disconnect power. 20. Change the user interface. 21. Replace all parts and panels before operating. And there is a service pointer on this mode stating the entire power model for that model number is part number of W106075546. I can send you the service pointer if you would like it.
I already found that PDF and have done all that. Do you have any further suggestions than what I can find online?
Did you fully read my last post? Look again at the last 2 sentences, please.
That part number crosses over to the module I replaced. You can send me the pointer if you want to, if you believe it may be helpful. The only thing in there not replaced are the burners and user interface. Burners tested good.
Okay, I do now see that the service pointer part number does sub to the part number that you received. So after you replace the module and the 3 other burners, click and then go off. Are you getting any other error codes? Or an error code at all?
No, I am not. They click for a few seconds, then it goes from the set number to a flashing dash, then after a few more seconds to a constant dash, just like when you power it on.
Okay, and have you tested those burner for voltage from the module out to the burners?
I have, and I'm getting no voltage to them. This is the second brand new power module, and they both have the same exact results.
Okay, so if you have now replaced the power module twice with the same results, I would now look elsewhere and replace the user interface control/display board. If you need a link to the part, let me know.
I found the part already, but thank you. Anything else you can think of?
No, it is either going to be the interface or the control module, and you have replaced that twice. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.